Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 7, Getting to Know Plants. Alright. So, topic to be covered in this chapter: Introduction, Types of Plants, where we will discuss about herbs, shrubs, and trees. Next topic is plants part, where we will discuss about root, stems, leaves and flower. So there are huge variety of plants which exist on this earth. So if you try to look at your surrounding, so you will able to see different types of trees. You can see mango tree, you can see apple trees, you can also see small plants like rose plants, the China rose. So huge variety of plants, and all of them differ so much each other in size, shape and types of flower. So there is a lot of distinction between different types of plants that exist. Okay, now plants types based on size, means types of plants. So there are three types of plants based on their size: herbs, shrubs and trees. Alright. So herbs are very short height. Okay. So short height is important characteristics of a herbs. They are very short height. They have green soft stems. Alright. Maize, wheat, grass are the example of herbs. Now if we talk about shrubs, so shrubs are medium sized plant, and it neither too short nor too long, I mean tall, and they have hard woody thin stem, and it can be brown in color. For example, when you look at the rose plant or China rose, if you look at their stem, you have see their color is brown and it is woody. Similarly, if you look at a rose plant, its stem of the rose plant, you will see sometime it can be green and sometime it can be brown, but this is also hard and woody. All right. So branches are seen towards the base of the stem. All right. Some example of shrubs are rose, China rose. All right. Now the next one is trees. Now you all know about trees. Trees are very huge, they are very tall, they have strong, thick and brown stem. You see in case of shrub, you see shrub have a thin stem, but here you have a thick stem. All right. Even the branches of the trees are quite thick. And one more thing, branches are mainly towards upper part of the stem. So for example, mango tree, banyan trees, so these are the example of trees. So now I hope you understood what is the difference between herb, shrubs and trees. So in herbs are very short height. It have green and soft stem. All right. So for example, maize, wheat, green grasses, small green grasses, mint, all are the example of herbs. All right. And if we talk about shrubs, so the height of the shrubs plant is medium. Okay. And it have hard woody thin stem. In case of herbs, you see herbs have green and soft stem, but in case of shrubs, you have seen shrubs have hard woody and thin stem. Okay. And in case of herbs, branches may or may not be present, and in case of shrubs, branches are seen towards the base of the stem. And the next one is trees. So you all know about trees. Trees are tall, trees are strong, trees have strong and thick stem. Branches are mainly towards upper part of the stems, or mango tree, banyan tree, peepal tree, all are the example of trees. All right.
So now student, you can see here a rose plant stem and aloe vera. Now you can see a rose plant stem is hard and woody. All right. So this is shrub. Okay. And this one is aloe vera. Aloe vera, you can see this aloe vera stem is soft and we can bend it easily. So this is a herbs. All right. And obviously you can see, if you compare the height of both plants, you know that shrubs, the size of the rose plant is medium, and the size of the herbs plant is short height. So don't be confused. Herbs have green and soft stem, and shrubs have woody and thin stem. You can see here it's a hard and woody stem, but it is thin. Okay. So you can take another example of shrubs like China rose. You can see in China rose plant the stem is woody and hard, but stem is thin. All right. And about trees, you all know about trees. Okay. So uh, now if we comparison to stem of the shrubs and trees, you can see the shrubs have thin stem, but the trees has strong and thick stem. All right. So this is a basic difference between herbs, shrubs and trees. Now I hope you understood properly what is exactly herbs, shrubs and trees.